that I make this video, in a way. Just because I'm sad because I'm not going to be doing the Heart to Horse unboxing videos anymore. And instead of just not having a video, I kind of wanted to explain to you guys the reason why I won't be doing any more Heart to Horse unboxing videos. I've been doing Heart to Horse unboxing videos on my channel for over 2 years now. And in the beginning, it was awesome. I loved all of the boxes that I was getting. But then every once in a while, I'd get a box and I was like, meh, you know, it's not really what I would have bought or not something that I'd really want. So as I've gone on with my subscription with Heart to Horse Box, I just haven't been super impressed. And I decided that $35 a month for that or $35 a month for Saddlebox. So I really like Saddlebox. So I'm continuing to do Saddlebox. Those unboxings will go on. But I didn't think I needed to have 2 surprise boxes every single month. Because let's face it, you can accumulate a lot of horse stuff in a short amount of time. And if I'm getting 2 boxes full of horse supplies every month, that's a lot. So I have decided I will not be doing the Heart to Horse subscription boxes anymore. I'm really sorry if you enjoy watching those unboxings, but for me it just doesn't make sense, and there's other things that I could be spending that money on. In fact, I'm actually taking the money from the Heart to Horse box and Boxy Charm, because I quit that subscription box too. I've decided to take that money and put it towards getting professional riding lessons, which has been so much fun so far. I'm not riding my horse, I'm riding one of the school horses, which is so cool. And they have an indoor arena, which is incredibly cool. And it's like 5 minutes away from my house, which is beyond cool. So if you're wondering where my Heart to Horse unboxing videos went, or if you haven't seen one in a while, that's why. It was too much having that many boxes coming every month, and it just seemed like it was a waste of money because, like I said, a lot of the things duplicate and I didn't need them. So I decided not to do the Heart to Horse box. But hopefully my riding lessons will pay off and I will be a better and better rider. And maybe once I feel confident enough in my own abilities, maybe I'll have my husband come with me and film me while I'm riding. Right now, it's not pretty, so trust me, you don't want to see what I look like. Let me get a little bit better and then we'll work into taking you along with me to my riding lessons. I thought that would be kind of fun. I feel that that's a better way for me to spend my money by investing in something that's going to help me and then help me with my riding and enjoying my horses even more as I progress. So just a short video just to let you guys know what was going on and where the Heart to Horse unboxing videos went. And no, this isn't a Heart to Horse box that I got. This was an old one. It's empty. So bye-bye Heart to Horse box. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture at the end of this video. You can subscribe to my channel and watch all of my other videos. There's over 300, so there's a lot for you to watch. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride. Ooh, I just got a text from my daughter. She's selling butter braids. Holy cow, what kind of butter braids do we want? Love butter braids. What kind of butter braids do you want, Mom? All kinds, Katie.